Welcome back to Beautyistic, everyone. If you're someone who enjoys a good at-home spa day, or you're a professional in need of a reliable massage table, then you're in the right place. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into the FDW Massage Bed Portable Massage Table, perfect for everything from lash extensions to facial care or even tattooing. Let's break this down and see if this table lives up to its promises. When it comes to a portable massage table, comfort and stability are key, and that's exactly what this FDW table aims to deliver. It measures 77 inches long, 30 inches wide, and 4 inches thick, giving you ample space and cushioning to work with. The 4-inch, thick-density small cell sponge is designed to provide a soft, comfortable experience for both the client and the person using the table. This level of cushioning is ideal for lengthy treatments, ensuring you're not dealing with discomfort or fatigue during use. What stands out immediately with this table is the sturdiness. It's built with a reinforced beech frame, which provides a solid foundation. The frame is further supported by cables and hardwood corner blocks, which help to ensure that the table can withstand up to 450 pounds of weight. This means you don't have to worry about wobbling or an unstable surface, making it ideal for heavier clients or for more rigorous use in professional settings. As for the design and materials, the FDW massage bed features a PU leather cover. It's soft, durable, and most importantly, easy to clean, which is a must when you're dealing with oils, lotions, and other products. The nice thing about the PU leather is that it doesn't have that chemical or synthetic smell that some other massage tables might have. So if you're sensitive to odors, that's definitely a big plus. One of the standout features of this massage table is the height adjustment. The legs are adjustable, allowing you to easily change the height from 26 inches to 37.5 inches. This is crucial for professionals who need to ensure they're working at the right height for comfort and ergonomics. Plus, the simple adjustment method means you don't have to struggle with complicated mechanisms. The addition of super soft foot pads also protects your floor, which is a nice touch, especially if you're working in a space with hardwood or delicate flooring. Now, let's talk about the setup. One of the biggest concerns with portable massage tables is how complicated they can be to assemble. Fortunately, the FDW table eliminates that hassle. All you need to do is unfold it, and the legs automatically fall into place. No tools required, which saves you a lot of valuable time, especially when you're setting up for multiple sessions in a row. So, what are the pros and cons of the FDW massage bed? On the positive side, this table is incredibly easy to use and adjust, offering both comfort and support without compromising on durability. The thick padding makes it suitable for long treatments, while the sturdy build ensures it can handle heavy use. The PU leather cover is soft and easy to clean, which is a must for professionals in beauty and wellness fields. However, there are a couple of things to consider. While the adjustable height is a great feature, the range of adjustment, 26 inch to 37 inches, may not work for every professional's specific needs, especially if you prefer a higher or lower table. It's also worth noting that although the table is quite sturdy, it's still a portable option, so it's not going to feel as heavy-duty as a fixed massage table used in a spa. But for its portability, it's a solid option. Now, as far as value for money goes, this table hits a sweet spot. It's relatively affordable compared to other high-end massage tables, but it still provides a good amount of quality. The ease of setup, sturdy frame, and comfort make it a solid choice for both beginners and professionals who don't want to break the bank. It may not be the cheapest option out there, but for the features and comfort it provides, I think it's priced fairly. When comparing it to other massage tables, especially those in the mid-range price category, the FDW massage bed offers a good balance of affordability, comfort, and functionality. It's not necessarily as feature-packed as some high-end models that may include additional accessories or higher-end materials, but it gets the job done with the basics, making it a good option for anyone who needs a no-fuss, dependable table for a variety of treatments. In terms of build quality, the reinforced beech frame and sturdy construction are the highlights here. It should stand the test of time as long as you take care of it. The PU leather cover will also hold up well, but like with any product, regular cleaning and maintenance will help prolong its lifespan. If you're in the market for something that offers solid performance at a reasonable price, this table is definitely worth considering. There are certainly cheaper alternatives out there, but you may sacrifice on durability or comfort. It's all about finding that balance between budget and performance. So, does the FDW massage bed live up to its claims? Absolutely. It's a comfortable, sturdy, and practical solution for anyone in need of a portable massage table for spa, facial, lash, or tattoo services. If you're someone who needs a table that can handle a variety of tasks without breaking the bank, this might just be the one for you. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out the link to purchase this product in the description box below. Have you used the FDW massage bed? Drop a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.